Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cooking my favorite pot roast dish. The pot roasts are braised with a rich and savory sweet sauce that gives them a deep, comforting flavor, and the pot roasts are juicy, soft, but structured. Okay, let's start cooking now. 450 gram pot roast. The pot roasts are about 40 cm wide. It is okay if the pot roasts you have are wider than this size. Cut the pot roast between the bones. Marinate the pot roast with half teaspoon white pepper powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, quarter teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, quarter teaspoon baking soda. Mix all the seasonings well with the pot roast and then set it aside. Other ingredients we need are 4 cloves of garlic, 2 slices ginger, some raw sugar. I don't like my food too sweet, so I only used 2 small pieces. You can add more to suit your sweetness level. 1 piece star anise, 1 piece bay leaf. Now we start cooking. Put 1.5 tablespoon oil to the wok. Heat up the oil and then put the pot roast in. Pan fry both sides until they are slightly caramelized. When both sides are slightly caramelized, give them a few good stirs, and then transfer to a plate. The pot roasts are not yet done. Transfer them to a plate just because I want to remove the extra oil at the bottom of the wok. And then put the pot roast back to the wok. Put in 250 ml water. Put the garlic cloves, ginger, bay leaf, star anise, and the raw sugar in. Finally, season with 1 teaspoon cooking wine, 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce, and few stalks of green onion. Give everything a few good stirs, and then put the lid on and let it cook for 15 minutes with high heat. 15 minutes later, open the lid. The sauce is almost boiled down. Give everything a few good stirs. And then take the bay leaf, ginger, green onion, and star anise out. Do a final tasting and check if the texture of the pot roast have been cooked to your preference. Add more salt if needed, or add a little bit more water and cook for a longer time if the texture haven't met your preference. Today, everything is perfect for me, so I didn't add extra salt nor water to cook for a longer time. It is all done now. Finally, sprinkle white sesame on top for better presentation. This is optional, you can skip it. This is my another simple but delicious recipe. Pot roasts are cooked in a rich, savory sweet sauce that is very flavorful with a touch of caramelized aroma. The meat is tender, juicy, soft but structured. I hope you will like this recipe, and if you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!